News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth. Underlining that cooperation has been an integral part of Indian society since the Vedic era, Union Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah on Sunday said Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave this tradition a formal structure by establishing the Ministry of Cooperation 4 years ago. Shah was speaking at a special event in Anand, Gujarat, marking the 4th anniversary of the ministry's formation and commemorating the 150th birth anniversary year of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The event, organized by the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, GCMMF, featured several major launches, inaugurations, and policy highlights aimed at strengthening India's cooperative movement. He said that PM Modi institutionalized this tradition by establishing a dedicated Ministry of Cooperation 4 years ago, breathing new life into over 8.4 lakh cooperative societies linked to nearly 31 crore people. Shah said that the ministry has undertaken more than 60 initiatives over the past 4 years, all built upon a strategic foundation of 5 Ps, people, PACs, primary agricultural credit societies, platform, policy, and prosperity. He explained that these initiatives aim to directly benefit citizens, empower PACs at the grassroots level, promote digital platforms for cooperative activity, ensure member-focused policies, and deliver shared prosperity for society as a whole. A major milestone announced during the event was the launch of the newly formed multi-state cooperative body, Sardar Patel Cooperative Dairy Federation Limited, along with the unveiling of its official logo. Shah highlighted that this federation will help complete a sustainable cycle in the dairy sector, involving fair milk procurement, input services, price compensation, and circular economy practices. He further explained that the model will mirror the success of Amul and will directly benefit dairy farmers across India. Also unveiled were the expansion of Amul's chocolate plant at Mogar, worth 105 crore rupees, and the cheese plant at Khatraj, valued at 260 crore rupees. The chocolate plant's capacity will now double from 30 to 60 tons per day. The modernized cheese plant will also manufacture UHT milk, mozzarella cheese, whey-based beverages, and include facilities for smart warehousing and cheese packaging. The Union Minister inaugurated the Ready-to-Use Culture (RUC) plant developed by the National Dairy Development Board (NDDB) at a cost of 45 crore rupees. He also inaugurated the new office of the National Cooperative Dairy Federation of India (NCDFI), the Maniben Patel Bhavan, constructed at a cost of 32 crore rupees, and laid the foundation stone of NDDB's new headquarters building in Anand. Shah spoke about the newly formed Kutch District Salt Cooperative Society, describing it as a model that would empower salt-producing laborers, similar to how Amul transformed dairy farming. He added that initiatives such as establishing 2 lakh new PACs, a national cooperative university, a national cooperative database, and several national-level cooperatives for grains and dairy sectors are part of the government's effort to further strengthen the cooperative landscape. In the spirit of the International Year of Cooperatives, Shah stressed the need to embed 3 critical values in cooperative functioning: transparency, adoption of technology, and keeping cooperative members at the center of decision-making. He cautioned that a lack of transparency weakens cooperation, and institutions that resist technology or overlook member interests often fail to survive. The event was attended by dignitaries including Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Union Ministers of State for Cooperation Krishnapal Gurjar and Murlidhar Mohol, Minister of State for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying SP Singh Baghel, and Union Cooperation Secretary Dr. Ashish Kumar Bhutani. Paying tribute to Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee on his birth anniversary, Shah recalled his contributions to India's unity and sovereignty, particularly his role in integrating Kashmir and West Bengal into the Indian Union. He praised Dr. Mukherjee's famous call for one constitution, one flag, and one prime minister, noting that his ultimate sacrifice laid the groundwork for national unity. Shah called on cooperative leaders and members across the nation to internalize the values of transparency, technology, and inclusivity to ensure the sustainability and success of India's cooperative model.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.